What's up everyone, welcome back to another video of Dynamic Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to select the subject the best and the fastest way. I've taken a photo of a house in the forest for the effect to be complicated, so let's check the effect. Here in the tools panel you will see quick selection tool, click and hold, and here you will see object selection tool. Click on it and let's select this area, and I think it would select this chimney, so let's try. Select the area and wait for a while. Oh my god, and here you can see it has make a clear selection of subject. Let me zoom in, and here you can see it is a very complicated photo, but still this effect works very fine. With this selection you can select and mask, copy the layer, or just do whatever you want. But this tool is amazing, and you can see it has selected this chimney excluding these leaves. But here is a minor difference between selection, but this is not notable because it has made a precise and effective selection of the chimney. Let's take a look at another selection. I will deselect this, zoom out the photo, and I'm gonna select this whole house. So let's see what happens. And this selection is not very precise like the chimney because it's a very complicated photo, but still it worked very fine. Let's see. It just included these leaves, and it is like a window that's so harsh. And here you can see it also excluded this part, so it thought that this wouldn't be the part of the photo or the subject, so let's go with the thought. But again, the chimney is very good selected because this is the portion right in the middle, and we can see the selection because there are some color difference between these woods and leaves, and it has made a very precise selection, and we can move selection wherever we want. So let's take a look by masking. Simply right click and click on selecting mask, and we can see the selection. This is a notable and impressive tool to select any subject in the photo. You can see this excluded this part because this, I think there is a sort of color change between this. Yeah, I think that's it. So, oh my god, here is another mistake of the selection. It excluded this part, and again I told you it excluded this part because it thought that it's not a selection. But here is another cool difference, but it also selected this section. This don't works very fine, but also note one thing, this is a very complicated photo, so this is very hard for it to work like that. But still it is a very good selection tool to select any subject in the video. Let's check out it in a simple photo. So guys, I've selected a new photo of some hotel's room because the previous photo was very complicated for the effect. So let's try but do this effect too on this image. So in this picture I'm gonna select this little lamp from here, and let's see what happens. Click on the selection tool, subject selection tool, and then I'm gonna select this little lamp, and let's see what happens. And here you can see it has also made an amazing selection here. You can see the edges are sharp and only the lamp is selected. I'm wondering because there are very color differences, but still it selected only the lamp. But here is a mistake. It also selected this picture portion and this red paint portion. But this is not a noticeable mistake. We can remove it by simply selecting quick selection tool and pressing Alt on your keyboard to remove the selection and then removing this selection. But still, it selected a very good selection. Means this effect or tool also works very fine. So let's try out on another thing. I'm gonna deselect selection, and here I'm gonna select this picture on the wall to see what happens. Let's try it. So I'm gonna make the precise selection to have great results. Select the portion and let's see what happens. The selection here is not very precise like the lamp, but it is still good, and we can finish the selection by the quick selection tool, and I think we can save time with this effect and tool. So this is a noticeable tool to select any object or subject in a photo in Photoshop. So guys, this was the video in which I told you the best and the fast way to select the subject by using this mini subject selection tool. It was very amazing and I found this helpful, and I hope you also do. And you can see this preview is amazing. So hope you found this helpful, and if you did, appreciate the channel by subscribing and also press bell notification to get notified from my all videos. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching.